Hi, today we will discuss about how can we solve the inequalities in algebra. Hopefully you can see my screen. Before starting an inequalities, you have to make sure you remember your linear algebra, one-step equation, two-step equation, multi-step equation. For example, what happens if it's x minus 3 is equal to 9 or divided by 5, or if I change it 3x minus 3 over 5 is equal to 9. Whenever you want to find the unknown value, you just need to do all the inverse procedure, which is operating with x. You will do on both sides. You have to do the same as an equality, but only one thing you have to memorize: when you multiply or divide a negative integers or negative number, inequalities are when you have like greater than symbol, less than symbol, greater than equal to symbol, less than equal to symbols. These are inequalities. If you multiply or divide any negative number on both sides, your inequalities will be changed. For example, what I mean, if it's like t less than equal to 5, right? Let me get minus 3t less than equal to t, minus 3t less than equal to 5, and you have to find the value of t. Basically, when you have minus 3t is equal to 5, obviously you do minus 3 on both sides to get the value of t, right? Similarly, if you divide here, minus 3 on both sides, right? So what do you do? When you divide both sides, your inequalities are changed. Because here you are dividing a negative number. So negatives change the inequalities. So t greater than equal to minus 5 over 3, right? Similarly, if it's greater than, so it's changed into less than. Let's move here. So our main focus is in the middle. Okay. So 3x plus 5 is greater than minus 4, but less than equal to 11. Okay. I use the inequality symbols. It's less than and it's less than equal to minus 4 and it's 11 here. So basically 3x plus 5 is greater than minus 4, less than equal to 11. Basically, there are two equations become like minus 4 less than equal to 3x plus 5, or you can consider 3x plus 5 is greater than equal to 11. But we will solve them together here. So keep focusing here. Okay, so our target is to solve these inequalities. 3x plus 5, just focus here, 3x plus 5. So to find x, what do you do? There are two operations with x. Times by 3, like multiply by 3 and plus 1. So we will do minus 5 on both sides first. Because if you divide first by 3, you have to divide as a whole and it will become two terms. It become a little bit complicated, and then do minus with the fraction. So it's preferable to convert two terms into the one terms, like simplify it. So I do minus 3. There are 3 terms, so I have to basically consider 1, 2, and 3. So what do? You will minus 5 on all sides. Clear? I just wrote my question as it is, and then minus 5, minus 5, minus 5, right? So what happened now? It's minus 4 minus 5, it's minus 9, less than. It's 11 minus 5. What is it? 11 minus 5. Sorry. 6. It's cancel out. and 3x as it is. Still your focus have to be on x. What you have to find it out, x. So what you do here, you just need to divide by 3. Right, like this. So what x become? Minus 3 divided by 9 is 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. And it's cancel out, it's x, right? So your x is greater than minus 3, less than equal to 2. What I did here, just I first of all minus 5 on all sides and then divide by 3 on all sides, and that's it, right? So the B part is write down the integer values of x that satisfy this equation. Basically, this equation give us information x is greater than minus 3 but less than equal to 2. Like if this is a number line, it's 0, -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3. It's greater than -3, but -3 is not included, right? And it's equal to -2, sorry, +2, and +2 is including. And they said write integers, not decimal values here in between, right? So you will write the numbers -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. That is the answer for B part. Because we have to write down the integer value of x. And when I solve it, we come to the point our x is greater than -3, like -2, -1, 0, 1, but less than equal to 2. So up to 2. Hopefully you get it. Let's see if you have any confusion, you can ask me.